Hi, I'm TobyJonesDrums and thank you for tuning in into another video. Now today you might be a bit confused because I've got Saturn Project as my title and a different colour kit in the thumbnail. Well, that's actually because I've got a few other kits in the studio that I never use and never really have used. And I've certainly not recorded them either. So today I'm going to be going through this other kit that I have, my most expensive kit as well. And I'm going to reskin it, retune it, and then also talk about why I've just never used it. But first, we've got to annoyingly strip down the drum kit that's on the stage already, so obviously we can put the other kit on. So this drum kit is actually a 18-inch Mapex Saturn V Club Classic. The Club Classic is like the model name, and that features an 18-inch kick, a 12x8 rack tom, and a 14x14 floor tom. The shells in this kit are a maple and walnut hybrid, so it's just a mix between the two. This kit was bought for me after I passed my grade 8 drums with LCM back when I was 14, so that must have been 2016. So yeah, 4 years ago, and I didn't pick the kit. I didn't get to choose the kit or what. I wasn't expecting a drum kit either. My parents were like, "Oh, here's a drum kit that you know, because you've got your grade 8." That's so little. And it was small, so it fitted in my bedroom. The blue does look sick though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna change the other one. But damn, that blue does look cool as hell. It was brand new. I never liked it. It's just the bass drum, I was like, this is so small. And then the rack tom was like massive, and I liked really small rack toms. So I was like, this is horrible. But because it's meant to be like more of a jazz kit or a club classic, I feel that it's meant to have coated heads on it, but it didn't. It comes with Remo clear Emperors, which are really, really good high quality skins. I feel it should have coated heads on it, so that's why for today I've bought a pack of coated heads, and I'm going to reskin the drum, and then we're going to set it up and I'm going to record it and see what it sounds like. Okay, so my knowledge with coated heads is absolutely zero. I've never bought any. I've used them, but only on a gig, and it's just been thrown at me, and that's what's there, so whatever. So I just went a shot in the dark, and I went to a coated G2s. When they came through, and then I actually opened the pack and felt what the skins felt like, straight away I thought the skins were too thick, because these are 2-ply. Yes, these are 2-ply ones. So I should have gone, I think, either the G ones, I think might have been better. But you've got to try these things once, haven't you? So I'm still, nevertheless, going to put the skins on. And I'm going to see what it sounds like. Got to start with the floor tom. Alright, that's all of the lugs. Oh no, it's not. I just hoovered. God damn it. Okay, so yeah, the actual shells are really, really nice. And that's one that I do prefer from the other one. I think that one's birch. Yeah, that one's birch. Whereas this is a walnut and maple, so loads better. I think you just get more tone and way more resonance from these kind of shells. Birch is quite a dry sound. With these you get loads of resonance for. which I think this is what this kit is all about. Is meant to be like really resonant. Okay, so even though I've only got 2 drums here, I went for the whole tom pack, just kind of because it's kind of worth the money. They're like, what, 15 quid each, or it was like £33 for a set of 3. So, I don't know, I think they're £12 each or something. One's £15, one's £12. But I was like, it's like, you know what I mean? It's like, you might as well just spend the extra like 5 quid for a whole nother skin, you know what I mean? And obviously if I want to use coated heads on the green kit and use all 3 toms, then I can. So obviously I'm not going to be using this one, but you know, that's absolutely fine. So let's put this one down. 11-inch G2. Yes, exactly what I was expecting. Somehow the skin's like filthy, it's not that white. I am really liking the blue though, the blue does look insane. Okay, and then focus on the face. It's really dark on my face though. Okay, so now I'm going to tune the drums as best as I can, and then I'm going to set up the kit, and then we're going to do some recording.